Full court tennis is now on the web, and we've launched a new feature to help you connect faster from any device. If you're already using the Full Court Tennis app on iOS, you'll now see the same GeoMap experience available on the website. No download required. We now have over 800 coaches across 100+ countries and growing, but we need your help. If you're a coach, make sure to input your location and in-person rates so players can find you. Anyone can sign up for Full Court Tennis from the web and get started instantly. Players can go to Find a Coach, enter a zip code, and the interactive global map will show available coaches nearby. The map allows zooming in and out to get a better view. You can click on a coach's pin, here's Brian Teacher for example, and see a profile with their exact location. Their in-person rates appear right on the profile, and players can message them directly to book a lesson. Remember, anyone can sign up on the website and get an account.